I'm going to show you how to draw the frosticons from Mixels. If you must know, frosticons are, well, the ice type versions of Mixel, or the icy version of Mixels. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a flurr, slumbo, and then lunk. Basically, these Pokemon can be, Mixels are a bit freezing, unlike the hot, fiery Infinites. Anyways, when drawing flurr, you must start with the eye. Always start with the eye, people. Never stop. Okay. Okay, so next up, you just gotta draw these parts right here. Okay, so here's Flur's tail. There we go. That's how you draw Flurr. Next up, I'm going to show you how to draw Slumbo. Okay, Slumbo, he gets a little bit tired, but he's a really nice guy. He's mixed with Flame, and he's merped a couple of times with him, but he has him with Volk. You know, why do I feel like that they should have, extended the episodes to like 15 episodes of Mixels? Now, you see his claws are made of ice here. There we go. There's the sail in his back. Okay, his back. There we go. Okay, there's Slumbo. And finally, let's draw Lunk. Okay, got his neck, and he has frosty blades sticking out of his nose. And done. That is how you draw a Lunk. And I'm pretty sure we got all the frosticons covered. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to smash 100 times on that like button. And I'll see you guys later.